Hello, this is Mindy Kerr. Welcome to our shaker card class. This is the first one I made with the Soft Waves embossing folder. And here's the one we're going to make today. And we'll use the sunflower embossing folder. You just need a all over pattern embossing folder to help the little shaker pieces not all fall to the bottom. And I've glue dotted several little pieces to the card front, and here I did more. You can do however many you want. And I haven't added any words to this one yet. I'll probably add that when I'm ready to give it. So this one was for a class, and we did an anniversary class and made anniversary cards. So let's get started, and we'll first emboss our cardstock. Well, I guess we have to cut it first. We are using Lemon Lolly, and we will cut it at 4 inches by 5 1/4, so it's just slightly smaller than our card front. Okay. All right, now we can emboss it. All right, we have our sunflower embossing folder. It's one of the new extra large ones. It's about the same size as the platform. So just decide where you want your sunflower to be. Last time I did this, and we're just using platform 1 and plate 4. I'm using the little star punch from the A Little Cheer bundle, and there's 3 little mini punches, and go upside down. Make sure you're going to get it all in. Maybe we'll do 5 this time. We'll put glue dots on the back of our stars. Well, usually they come off easily. Things always seem to be harder when you're filming, so we'll put one up here. One in the center of the sunflower. One up here. one over here. That one looks funky. We'll use another one. Oops, it looks like I skipped one and it is on my finger. So maybe way over here. Probably too close. Oh well, that's the way it goes. Now the hardest part of this card, oh, here's this envelope. And here is the front flap, and here's the opening. And we are going to put some tape along. We want it along this edge. It really doesn't matter. And it's just going to be plain Scotch tape. I should have my silicone craft sheet in here, but I don't. And you want it hanging off the edge. We'll fold this part up. And we'll put our card in. Oh, I did do it the wrong way. No, I did it the correct way. Alrighty. So we'll put this in. Like I said, it really doesn't matter which way you put it in. Scooch it all the way over to the side of the part without the tape. It's easier just to do it with put my hand in there. Oops. Nope, we wanted it the other way. With the back showing here. There we go. And then just fold it not super tight. You want things to be able to shake in there. Now we'll get our little, these are loose shaker elements. I tried just punching stars, but they didn't move very well. So I guess the hardest part is opening this thing. Mostly because I'm really paranoid about spilling them all over the place. And I use about 1/4 teaspoon. Really should put a bowl underneath. Then you can just pick these up with your finger and either put them back in the container or put them in your card. Well, that one shot. Well, I'll find it eventually. There it is. Let's just say I'm always finding these all over. No, that's where it went. So this one will go. Oops. That one really just doesn't want to go anywhere. Alright, there we go. Then we will peel the backing off the envelope. And then we will fold it tight. See, and they stay fairly well when they're, I mean, lots still go to the bottom, but they're scattered all over, which is nice. So now we will add it to our card base. This is a crushed curry, 5.5 by 8.5. And we'll fold it down the middle. Here's my glue. You can use tear and tape around the back if you want. I'm just going to use glue this time. And decide which way you want it. You want it up this way. And center it. And there we go. I usually like to put a big block on it for a while to make sure the glue stays attached. So, watch the next video for our next shaker card. Thanks for watching. See you in a few minutes. Bye.